Looking for a square taper crankset? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 square taper crankset available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Shimano 1X crankset for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the UV flashlight blacklight. Invisible stains can be a real hassle. They're tough to find and even tougher to get rid of. But with this handy UV flashlight, you can detect food stains and pet urine stains on rugs, carpets, and clothes that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. Not only is this flashlight great for detecting stains, but it can also be used to authenticate currency and official documents or to identify unwanted whitening agent in cosmetics. Plus, the ultra-compact design makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Whether you're looking for scorpions in the backyard or checking for stains in the car, this UV flashlight is the perfect tool for the job. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Escolite UV flashlight blacklight. If you're looking for a powerful and durable flashlight, the ATN Sight 2 Smart HD digital rifle scope might be perfect for you. This device offers a powerful 51 UV LED light that can help you see in the dark, making it perfect for finding scorpions, minerals, and other objects in the dark. The X-Sight 2 is also shockproof and weatherproof, making it perfect for use outdoors. However, it's important to note that the flashlight does not come with batteries and that rechargeable batteries are not recommended. Additionally, it's important to note that any issues caused by batteries are not covered by the manufacturer's warranty. At number 3 on our list, we have the Blacklight UV flashlight, LED UV torch 2-in-1 UV blacklight. The 395 nm UV flashlight is perfect for finding pet stains, detecting fungi in food, checking if bills and banknotes have been counterfeited, and antique appraisals. This flashlight is also a 2-in-1 with 4 modes: LED lighting, white and purple light, high white light, low white light, and SOS. The flashlight is made of durable aluminum alloy material and has waterproof IPX4 function. It is 13 centimeters long and weighs about 150 grams. At number 4 on our list, we have the 9 LED blacklight. Do you want to create stunning atmospheres at gigs or parties? Are you looking for a safer alternative to 365 nm blacklights? If so, then you need to check out the 9 LED's 27 watts UV blacklight from Gohyo. This high-quality light unit emits UV light at 395 to 400 nm, which is harmless to the human body. It also comes with a 360-degree adjustable bracket, making it easy to install in any location. Plus, the light is plug and play, meaning you can start using it right away. At number 5 on our list, we have the Morpilite blacklight. Morpilite blacklight flashlights are a great way to detect food and pet stains that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. They are also helpful in finding scorpions. Additionally, they can be used to authenticate currency, driver's licenses, official identification cards, and passports. They are also great for hotel room inspections, antique inspections, and gas leak inspections. This portable mini flashlight is made with high-quality water and shock-resistant aluminum alloy. It is also designed with a special texture to prevent sliding and to reduce the danger of dropping. The flashlight is also 30% brighter than other lights. It uses 3X AAA batteries, not included. The blacklight flashlight is small and powerful. It measures 3.7x 1.13. It is convenient to take with you wherever you go. This flashlight is a great way to save time and money. At number 6 on our list, we have the Cobra Blacklight Flashlight 100 LED lamp. The Reveal 100 LED UV flashlight is an essential tool for anyone who wants to save time and money. This flashlight is a wise investment as it will help you save thousands of dollars in the long run. You will no longer have to resort to having your carpets steam cleaned multiple times a year for fear of not spotting invisible staining or wait around for a hotel or house inspector to find a free spot in his or her schedule. With this flashlight, you can perform all these tasks yourself just as quickly and efficiently. But the Reveal 100 LED UV flashlight is not just for stain removal. This flashlight has a wide range of applications. Marvel in the wide applications of UV light. Pinpoint the origin of leaks of any kind, such as UV dyed antifreeze and neon, helping you take immediate action and prevent them from spreading any further. Trace counterfeit money and protect yourself from losses. Also, if you are into scorpion hunting, this flashlight is ideal to spot these nocturnal creatures during their natural activity times. The Reveal 100 LED UV flashlight is also incredibly powerful. No need to walk around aimlessly or break your back bent over carpets. Backed by an impressive 100 LED bulbs, this flashlight emits a bright light that covers wide areas, effectively reducing the time it takes to complete a thorough inspection. So, if you are looking for an essential tool that can save you time and money, the Reveal 100 LED UV flashlight is the perfect choice. At number 7 on our list, we have the Onforu 32.8 feet LED blacklight strip kit. Looking for a powerful blacklight that is also touchable? Look no further than this blacklight strip from Amazon. This 32.8 feet strip comes with 600 high-quality LEDs that are sure to last for 50,000 hours. The 12V working voltage makes it touchable and much safer to use. This blacklight is perfect for a variety of applications, including special effects, photography, and birthday or neon glow parties. Installation is easy, as the strip light can be plugged in and played without wiring. Plus, the light can be easily cut to size without damaging the rest of the strip. At number 8 on our list, we have the 18 LEDs blacklights. Looking for a safe and reliable blacklight? Look no further than our 18 LED blacklight. Our light is brighter than other models and has a longer effective working range, making it safer to use. Plus, it comes with an on-off switch for easy use. With 360 degrees adjustable brackets, you can use it at any angle you want. Plus, it's made of solid aluminum alloy shell for heat dissipation and protection. The psychedelic neon bar is perfect for glow parties, galleries, the gym, Christmas, Halloween, weddings, birthdays and more. At number 9 on our list, we have the Lemming LED Blacklights Bulb 9W Blacklight. Are you looking for a blacklight bulb? If so, you have come to the right place. Lemming Store offers a variety of blacklight bulbs, including 9W blacklight bulbs. These bulbs are energy-efficient replacements for 60 to 75 watt equivalent incandescent blacklight bulbs. These bulbs emit UV levels of 395 to 400 nm, making them perfect for illuminating most reactive pigments, paints, and dyes. They are especially great for use with neon-colored objects. In addition to 9W blacklight bulbs, Lemming Store offers red, green, blue, yellow, amber, pink, and blacklight LED bulbs in various wattages. All of our blacklight bulbs have a standard A19 shape and E26-E27 medium screw base. This makes them easy to install in all medium screw base fixtures. We are devoted to providing our customers with 100% satisfaction with our products and services. If you have any problems using this product, please feel free to contact us. At number 10 on our list, we have the Bryonac Blacklight Flashlight 128 LED 395 nm wavelength blacklight. The Bryonac Blacklight UV flashlight is a great tool to have in your arsenal. It has a wide, long, and bright area compared to other UV flashlights. The wavelength of 395 nm easily allows you to find something that you cannot see with your eyes. This flashlight is also versatile and can be used for many purposes such as finding dry pet urine, inspecting precious articles, and hotel room inspection. The flashlight is also long-lasting and waterproof. The new design and durable construction make it a great choice for anyone. The flashlight is also secure and comes with a satisfaction guarantee. And finally, at number 11 on our list, we have the Yayat 40-foot LED blacklight strip kit. If you're looking for a powerful blacklight strip, then this 40-feet blacklight strip light is perfect for you. 720 units LEDs provide 50,000 hours of long-life high-power efficiency, and the strip light is easy to use. Each 3 LED can be cut without damaging the blacklight LED strip. The blacklight strip also has add-on off, making it easier to use, and it's touchable. The wavelength is 385 to 400 nm, which does no harm to human. This strip light working voltage is 12V extremely low heat. It can be used for household and commercial decoration, as Halloween decorations, for fluorescent lights painting checking the bill, and other lighting projects body paint and visible fluorescent materials. The blacklight strip is quality guaranteed. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about the product. We will reply you within 24 hours. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.